Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. So proceed with canva.com and log into your account. Once you're already on your homepage, click on templates, then search for YouTube banner. There you go. Once you search for that, it will show up and you can choose among the available templates. And if you want to create a blank YouTube banner, just click this box. So if not, like example this one, you just have to click customize this template and you can proceed with editing it. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you a lot. See you on my next video. Bye.